First thing we need to do is if you don't have the McDonald's app, you need to get it. Once on the app, you'll be brought to this screen like so, where you can just click on the order option in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, where you can actually choose pickup or delivery. If you want to deliver it to your house, you click on McDelivery up here. Once on this page, you can see you can add your address just on this page right here, and we can scroll down and actually add what we want to order. In this case, I just want to get a fries, so I'm going to click on fries, and you can see we can click on the fries option, and you can choose medium, large, etc. and add to bag. Once your bag is ready to go, you can add multiple items. You click on checkout now option at the bottom of the screen, where you can actually see you can change your delivery address at the top page right here, where you can deliver it to your home, apartment, or anywhere else you would like to be delivered to. And then you click on choose payment. Once you actually have your option ready to go, you add your phone number on the screen, which they need to actually contact you so that you can receive your order from whoever gives it to you. And you can add a tip down here and even leave delivery instructions, whether you want them to hand it to me or leave them at the door. And when you scroll down, you can simply click on the payment method of your choice and place order at the bottom of the screen, and you can actually see the ETA through text updates and within the app of how long it will take to be delivered.